Kai Edwards, cyn chwaraewr y Seintiau, yn wynebu ei gyn glo pen o 'ma. Fel gyma Michael Wilde, y peniad na mlaen at Ryan Wignall. Wignall dros ben Paul Harrison ac yn taro'r traws. A bron i dîm Andy Morrison fynd ar y blaen. Seintiau newydd heb ildio yn y 6 gêm gyngrair diwetha. A bron i Ryan Wignall ddod ar hediad yna i ben. Conal Rawlinson, Tom Holland wastad ar gael. Di gweld yr hediad gan Aaron Edwards. Cyffyrddiad yn berffaith gan Edwards. Draper heibio'r golwr i gefn y rwyd. A'r Seintiau newydd ar y blaen wedi hanner awr yma ar lan y dyfrdwy. A phwy arall ond Greg Draper. Mi sgoriodd o ddwywaith yn erbyn Elgin dros y penwythnos. Dwywaith yn erbyn Flint gan wsos diwetha yng nghwpan y gyngrair, a mae di sgorio eto. Danby lawr cae, chwilio am Michael Wilde. Dim gwlthiad yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Bil gan Bacare. Bacare heibio i Jamie Mullen. Ac heibio i Ryan Leake hefyd. Rhediad cryf gan Bacare. Cyffyrddiad yna braidd yn drwm. Ond mae dal ar dir y chwarae a James Owen i gefn y rwyd. Dim ond 2 funud barodd y fantais. A James Owen nath o'm sgorio ni 4 tymor cynta yn yr uwch gyngrair. A honna diw drydedd y tymor yma. Ond y diolch i gyd i Bacare, gwaith gwych lawr yr asgell. Ac mi oedd hi'n hawdd i James Owen yn y pen draw. Harrison at Leake y Seintiau. Chwarae allan o'r cefn fel maen nhw'n licio wneud. Mike Pearson, o'n cyflwyn o'r bel i Edwards, cyfle fan hyn i Greg Draper. Draper yn torri fewn ar y droed, dde'r arbediad gan Danby. Ac Aaron Edwards yn methu manteisio. Cyfleiraidd i Draper yma. Ac mae o rediad rhagorol o flaen gol yn ddiweddar, fyddwch chi'n disgwyl ddefo sgorio. Ac yna Aaron Edwards yn methu addasu draed, digon cyflym. Pearson yn ôl at John Danby. Rwy'n fynd i fynd tan yr egwyl, a Danby'n cyflwyn o'r bel i Greg Draper, ac mae hwnna'n gamgymeriad erchyll gan y golwr. Anreg i Greg Draper. A John Danby, mae di bod mor gadar rhwng y pist y tymor yma. Camgymeriad ofnadwy gan y golwr, a Greg Draper yn sgorio ddwywaith am y drydedd gêm yn ôl i roi'r Seintiau newydd ar y blaen. Spender oedd ei rwystro gan Joe Heath, y peniad at Wignall. Wignall yn fywiog ac yn gyflym. Rawlinson yn ei warchod o, Wignall yn croesi. Harrison yn troi'r bel, heibio'r postyn gosa. Tafod gan Leake yn syth at Danny Harrison, a Wignall yn etheto'r flaenau draed. Wignall mae o'n sydyn, a mae di ennill y bel, y bas yn ôl, chwilio am James Owen. Owen yn mynd i'r llawr! A Tom Holland yn rhoi i ddwylor i ben, mi oedd yn gwybod yn syth. Mae'n gico'r smotyn i Geicona. James Owen di sgorio yn yr hanner cynta, a di ennill cico'r smotyn rwan. A Callum Morris sydd am ei chymyti. Morris yn erbyn Harrison. A Morris i'r gornel isa. Mi ath Harrison y ffordd cywir. Ond hwnna ddigon o rem ar yr ergyd gan Morris i 4edd gol gyngrair y tymor yma, ac o bosib y bwysica.
It's one of them games. They've had a few chances, we've had a few chances. Nothing really in the game. A game of mistakes, as in the goals came from mistakes. You know, we've gifted them 2 goals. The first one through bad decisions, and then the second one something that we don't normally do. You know, we got ourselves into a bad position. And that was disappointing, but the character to come back in the second half and dominate the whole second half, and you know, and get the penalty right, and then you know, yeah, we could have gone on, but then maybe that would have been harsh on TNS, and I think a point is fair at the end of the day.
Sometimes you just got to take a point, conditions and what have you, and different things happen in the game, but beforehand obviously I've wanted to win. We've been in a good rich vein of form, been scoring goals, keeping clean sheets, and I came here thinking, yeah, get a win and bit of daylight then between us, but they're a good side, they're well organised, put us under lots of pressure, especially second half, so I'll take a point here.
Yeah, I thought it was a fantastic reaction, you know, because there's obviously been some unwelcome press and stuff that we didn't really want to be reading, but we've dealt with it, we showed incredible spirit tonight to come through that, and you know, like I say, it would have been it would have been a travesty if we hadn't taken a point from the game. And, you know, maybe on another day it could have been 3, because I said to the players before the game, let's let TNS worry about us. We've been beat once in 2017. Our home record is phenomenal, and we're a very, very hard team to beat here. So let them worry about us. And, you know, and they had to be right at the top of their game not to lose.
Are they going to be your main challengers this year?
Yeah, Bangor as well. Bangor are going to be there as well. Connah's Quay. Bala will push. I think, you know, they've had a bit of a bad run, but I think they'll be up there as well. You know, Cardiff Met, it's good for the league. It's better for the league. You know, the news that this club have had in the last week, I was saying that it's obviously not good for the league, because if Connah's Quay, you know, don't strengthen and don't push us, then it's no good for us, because we won't be pushed all the way. So, yeah, I'm not too concerned about other clubs, but I want the league to be as strong as it can to push us on.